In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging and effective dashboard using Canva. Whether you're looking to put together a presentation for a meeting, track performance metrics, or simply need a visual way to display data, this tutorial will walk you through each step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into canva.com. If you don't have an account already, you can easily create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head over to the home page where you'll see the option to create a design. Click on that. Canva offers a variety of options for templates, but I recommend opting for a presentation format if you plan to present your dashboard to others. Alternatively, A4 is a good choice if you're thinking of printing it out. You can also choose to set custom dimensions to perfectly fit your needs. With your design space ready, it's time to search for dashboard templates. Simply type dashboard into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a range of templates that you can start with, making your job a whole lot easier if you're not keen on starting from scratch. However, if you prefer a completely customized look, you can opt for a blank layout. Now, let's move on to adding dashboard elements. Start by heading over to the Elements tab, which you'll find on the left side of the screen. Here, you can explore and add various components to enrich your dashboard. Charts are essential for any dashboard, so don't hesitate to include bar, pie, or line charts to represent your data visually and effectively. You can also add icons to signify key metrics or KPIs, making it easier for your audience to digest the information at a glance. Grids and tables are also crucial elements you might want to consider incorporating, particularly when you need to display data in a more structured format. Once your elements are in place, it's time to add text to give context to the data you're presenting. Direct your attention to the text option, which is also found on the side menu. Here, you can create labels for each section of your dashboard. It's a great idea to use clear and descriptive titles like Sales Overview, Performance Metrics, and Conversion Rates. This not only helps guide your audience through the dashboard, but also enhances the overall readability and effectiveness of your presentation. And there you have it. You've designed a comprehensive dashboard using Canva. Remember, the key to a successful dashboard is clarity, so make sure all elements are visually aligned and accessible. Play around with colors, fonts, and positioning to fit your brand or personal style. You're now equipped to share insightful data in a way that captivates and informs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!